Today we will do my special vegetable stock paste. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Hi, my name is Nadine from Nosh. Welcome to the channel. Today we will do a lovely vegetable stock. First we have to cut our vegetables. You need 1 onion. (150 grams of celery, also finely chopped). 3 carrots, finely grated. 2 cloves of garlic, finely crushed. 2 baby marrows, also known as zucchini. 1 tomato, finely chopped. To make this the special vegetable stock, as I'm always using in my videos, you need a lot of fresh herbs. So I've got here a small handful of basil, which I'm going to chop roughly. A good handful of parsley. 2 small prigs of sage. 1 bay leaf, just left as it is. 1 nice big sprig of rosemary, I will just cut it into 3. And a few prigs of thyme, which you can leave as it is. We're gonna have to cook everything now. We're gonna start with 20 grams of oil. Let it heat up and you can add all your veggies in. We're also adding all our freshly chopped herbs. And last not least, to make this preserve, 150 grams of coarse salt. A lot. We will let this cook now on a very low heat for 25 minutes and then we're gonna blend it up. So the flavor, it just smells incredible. Lid on. Wow, does it not smell awesome? We have to be patient and let it cook longer. Our veggies should be cooked by now. Let's check. Ooh, yes, nicely integrated. So we're gonna switch this off and blend it up. That smell is incredible. You need to blend this until this is really, really fine, because you don't want to have any pieces in your stock when you use it later on. You can bottle this because you're only going to need 1 teaspoon for a whole liter of stock. That's amazing. And because of the salt, it will last you for months in the fridge. This will give you lots of liters, so if you still have something stuck here, pour some water over and you have a lovely stock in the evening. And bottle it warm. And voila, it's finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.